Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're keeping well and safe. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Today I will be unboxing the August Glossybox. So this month's box is in this beautiful packaging and it is called Beautiful, like so. It's purple, green and blue. So let's open it up to see all the goodies we have received this month. These are all the items I have received this month. We also have the digital copy of the magazine. It's called Bold, Brave and Beautiful, and we have the QR code to scan it. So let's scan this. As usual, the digital magazine begins with the contents and the editor's note. Then it also gives us a story behind the box and goes on to list all the products that we receive or we may receive if it's a mystery product. Then we've got a section on barbecue makeup and electrifying eyeliners. Then it goes on to tell us some skincare essentials. So I'm just going to read the note from the editor and it states, "Hey Glossies, can you believe we're in August already? Where is the time going? This month we are bringing you our bold, brave and beautiful edit, whether you're after brighter times or take you through to the rest of August, or nail varnish to refresh your cuticles. This box has everything you need for an August reset. Whatever your plans this summer, whether you're escaping on a last minute summer getaway or dancing the day away at a festival, we have you covered." In this glossy magazine, we reveal all the products inside this month's Glossybox, as well as inspiration on some festival skincare, electrifying eyeliners, and our favourite barbecue makeup. And then the story behind the box states, "Bold, brave and beautiful. Show yourself in all your glory this summer." We're following the motto bold, brave and beautiful, and one of the 3 August boxes will get you in the summer mood. We're not holding back, we're talking eye-catching makeup looks and big and bold hair for summer, because all we want is to be seen and heard. Become the most bold, brave and beautiful version of you with our August edition. The first product I have is the Spectrum Powder Puff, which is worth $5.99. So this is what the powder puff looks like. It's a beautiful ombre, blue and green. It's a great tool to have to press down any powder products or to absorb any excess oil on your skin. I usually use powder puffs to set my foundation with a loose powder. Next we have the Bella Pia HD Finishing Powder, which is worth £25. On the Glossybox website it gives us some background information on the Bella Pia products, and it states Bella Pia began its journey as a 100% mineral based cosmetics company and has evolved into a cruelty-free makeup brand using mostly natural ingredients, creating products that have high pigmentation to give you the best coverage that you can. Bella Pia mixes the ultimate flawless coverage and stunning results. And in regard to this product, it says it's a smooth pro-long wear HD finishing powder which makes your makeup last all day. It mattifies and sets your makeup in place, providing you a silky, shiny, free finish. This is perfect for having your makeup last you all summer plans, day to night. It is in a translucent shade and I've never tried this product, but I do look forward to trying. Next we have the Ciate Velvet Lip Liner, which is worth £18. So this is a smooth, full coverage lip liner which is suitable for any shade. So let's swatch it out. So the squiggly line was a one light feather stroke all the way down, and the one next to it I went back and forth a couple of times, and this is the shade I got. So it is quite a nice neutral colour and I can see that it will complement many skin tones, so I look forward to trying this one out. Then we have a mystery product depending on the box we receive, and I have received this Lottie London Ombre Blush worth £5.99. So this blush is in the shade Haze. It's a powder blush and you apply on the uppers of your cheeks or on tops of your cheekbones depending on the look you prefer. This is a blusher I'm actually wearing right now and this is what it looks like on my skin tone. It's a shame because you can't really see the ombre, but the one I had you could actually see the ombre, so it was like a really light pink here going up to a more darker pink. Finally we have the Steami Self-Heating Eye Mask, which is worth £4.99. So this is what the eye mask looks like. It comes in this like plastic packaging and the eye mask is inside. I can feel it. It's jasmine scented and it says self-forming steam eye mask, and it says it self-heats in 30 seconds. And on the back of here it states, a jasmine infused self-heating warm compress steam eye mask to help ease tension and encourage circulation with jasmine essence revives the mind. And then it gives us the instructions: unfold the mask, place it over your eyes and fasten the loops around your ears. The mask should start heating up within 13 seconds. Kick back, relax and enjoy up to 20 minutes of me time. I've also received these 2 products. So this is a Neutrogena Hydro Boost Moisturiser and this is an emerald and a nail file. These were all the products I have received this month, which brings me to the end of my unboxing. I read somewhere that the beauty box was worth around £52, I think it was on my email, and I've recalculated this and I come to a sum of £59.97. So this brings me to the end of my tutorial. I hope you guys found this useful and enjoyed watching it. Thank you so much for watching, and hopefully I shall see you guys in my next tutorial very soon. Take care for now, and I shall see you guys soon. Bye!